Jesus, say hi.
Huh? Sounds bad.
Say hi. Alright, well, out here.
It's not a picture, it's a movie?
It's not a picture, it's a movie.
I was gonna make a picture.
It's not a picture, it's a movie.
Cheese.
It's not a picture, it's a movie.
Cheese.
That's not cheese, it's a gum.
Oh.
Orange.
Aww.
Where did you get that from? Oh, it's empty in the middle.
Wow. I thought it was full.
Yeah. You're phony.
Lame.
You're a big
Yo,
fat phony.
Started chewing at 12:30.
Is it sweet?
No, he got to put it in her whole mouth.
No.
I'm not gonna put the whole thing. Oh, I guess.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. I just got off the lip on the front.
I did not understand one word he just said.
Is she supposed to But the deal was the whole thing at the same time.
Damn.
There you go.
Is it good?
He's a
Oh my god.
What does it taste? What does it taste like? Oh.
Did you say please?
Please.
Actually, no.
He
He
did.
did.
I just did.
After you
After
said
the
something.
fact that I said
And I just said it.
you're a jerk.
And
You know,
I didn't hesitate.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
I know.
Jerk.
Can I have that too?
Well,
Can I have that too, please?
why certainly. Be careful, don't touch Leslie's ice.
Oh no. Contaminated.
Ah!
Leslie, can I have that too, please?
Stop it.
Have what?
Oh.
Crap! What the?
The drink.
Ow!
The drink.
Stop.
No, stop it. I'm gonna punch you in the ow! Mira. I'm gonna punch you in the towel.
That wasn't work. He look like he having trouble.
Who is that?
This Jewish taking a while.
Is that like the white Snoop Dogg? Or the Jewish Snoop Dogg?
He's Jew dog.
He's Jewish? What the hell are you doing, Cheesy?
Oh! Pick it up.
Good thing nothing spilled there.
What
But the
happened?
ice fell again.
Why does the ice keep on falling?
Ow.
Oh my god, what is in that pillow?
No more pills for you. So I was eating a Twizzler? Like, God, this is America. This is what I want, right?
Alright.
You pick it up from the floor and you do that.
We can do
Look,
what we
now
want.
there's a hair on it.
Ew.
You heard that. We can do what we want. It's America.
I said I can do what I want.
It's America.
I'm gonna free out the bus.
Correction.
You know, Giselle, it is America. You're entitled to your opinion.
We're women. We do what we want. And we get what we want.
Alright, say bye.
Bye.
No.
She
I
said
don't want
say
to say
goodbye.
You have no choice, say bye.
And say later or peace.